In the series of Lord Krishna's life events, we are going to see birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was eighth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. There was a time when burden of sins committed by King Kamsa and some demon kings became unbearable for the Mother Earth. She approached Lord Brahma, creator of universe, for help. Lord Brahma prayed to Lord Vishnu for his intervention. Lord Vishnu accepted his prayers and assured to born as a human form and help Mother Earth. Around 5000 years ago, there was a benevolent king Ugrasena ruled Madura kingdom. He had two children, Kamsa and Devaki. Kamsa usurped throne from his father Ugrasena and put him in dungeon. Kamsa was tyrannical ruler and no one was happy under his rule. His ministers want to have peaceful and simple life as like the rule under their king Ugrasena. Kamsa frequently waged war against neighboring kingdom ruled by Yadavas. Kamsa wants his sister Devaki to marry Vasudeva, who is Yadava prince. Kamsa's thought to become de facto ruler of Yadava clan if his sister marries Yadava prince. Wedding day arrived and entire Madura city was decorated for opulent wedding. Kamsa drove newlyweds to his palace in a royal chariot. While they were traveling, they heard a divine voice saying that, Kamsa, your tyrannical rule will come to an end soon. Devaki and Vasudeva's eighth son will kill you. Kamsa was deeply shaken by prophecy. He took sword and tried to kill Devaki so that her son could never born to her. But Vasudeva fell to his knees and begged for mercy. Vasudeva promised to hand over each child that born to him and Devaki. Kamsa imprisoned both of them and strict security has been placed to watch them. Every time child was born, it was informed to Kamsa. He smashed all child's head by hitting in the prison cell. Likewise, he did for all 7 born children of Devaki. Now it's time for 8th child to be born. Kamsa was really worried about prophecy. Devaki and Vasudeva were worried about their child. It was 8th Ashtami and Rohini star day of Krishna Paksha in Shravana month. Exactly at midnight, Lord Vishnu appeared before the couple in his divine original 4-armed form and transforming himself into a baby Krishna. Lord Vishnu told Vasudeva, this is your 8th son and please take him to your friend house Nandagopal of Gokulam. Nandagopal's wife Yashoda delivered a girl baby tonight and you can exchange babies. They are unaware of their child born. Leave your son there and bring their daughter to prison. Vasudeva kept a child in a basket and started to Gokulam. We will see in next video about Vasudeva's travel to Gokulam and Kamsa's reaction after seeing daughter as Devaki's eighth child. Sarvam Krishnarpanamastu.